This factory operates almost entirely without human workers. Every movement you see is controlled by machines.
In Germany, automation is not an experiment. It is the backbone of modern manufacturing. Every production line follows a precise digital command system designed to eliminate errors. Instead of human inspection, machine vision systems verify every millimeter with perfect accuracy.
Controls the entire factory, monitoring speed, precision, and efficiency in real time.
Materials move automatically from one section to another, without delays or manual handling. These scanners detect imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Storage and inventory are also automated, reducing space, time, and energy consumption. This factory can operate 24 hours a day without stopping. Only products that meet strict European standards are approved for export. Modern Europe builds the future through precision, automation, and innovation.
Before production begins, every system is automatically calibrated to ensure absolute precision.
Thousands of sensors constantly monitor temperature, pressure, and alignment across the entire factory. Robotic welding systems deliver consistent strength without variation or fatigue. Engineers monitor performance remotely through centralized digital systems. Advanced vision systems detect surface defects at a microscopic level. Maintenance is automated, ensuring machines operate continuously without manual intervention. Products are automatically sorted according to exact technical specifications.
These factories are designed to minimize energy consumption while maintaining maximum output. Safety systems respond instantly to protect equipment and production integrity. Once activated, the entire facility operates as a single intelligent system. As demand increases, the factory automatically shifts into high-output production mode. Automation allows production speed to increase without compromising accuracy.
Dynamically redistributes workloads to maintain efficiency across the entire system.
Real-time
calibration ensures every component remains within strict tolerance limits.
Material waste is automatically collected and recycled within the factory.
Energy consumption is continuously optimized to reduce operational costs.
Systems detect potential issues before they cause downtime. Diagnostics allow the factory to operate continuously without manual inspections.
At peak capacity, every section operates in perfect synchronization. This level of automation represents the future of European manufacturing.
This factory does not stop at night. Production continues around the clock.
The production cycle is synchronized through centralized scheduling systems. Products are inspected from multiple angles to ensure uniform quality. Identification and tracking are fully automated for complete traceability. When demand shifts, the system automatically rebalances production.
Environmental conditions are precisely controlled to protect both machines and materials.
Each component is tested under controlled conditions before approval. Certified products are cleared for international distribution. Packaging and palletizing are completed without manual handling. This level of coordination defines the next generation of European factories.
Once production is complete, logistics systems take control without human coordination. Robotic loaders ensure every shipment is positioned with exact precision. At this stage, the entire factory operates as a single intelligent network. Is recorded, analyzed, and optimized automatically. Consistency is the true strength of full automation. Efficiency is achieved not only through speed, but through intelligent energy management. This level of order defines modern European industrial design.
Once stabilized, the factory can operate continuously for extended periods. This is how automation is redefining manufacturing across Europe.